We have until now discussed Scrum's approach to quality management in detail. Let us complete this chapter with a discussion on how quality management in Scrum is different from traditional way of managing quality in a project. Scrum and traditional project management methods have some similarities in the aspect of quality planning, but differences arise with respect to how quality control and quality assurance is carried out. In traditional project management, the customers provide their expectations with regard to the project's products and the outcomes and benefits expected from them. The project manager defines those expectations in measurable terms and gets agreement from the customers as part of the planning phase. The project team develops the project's product according to agreed criteria over a specified period of time. If any of the agreed criteria are to be changed, changes can happen only through a formal change management system where impact of changes is estimated and the project manager gets approval from all relevant stakeholders. In Scrum, however, the product owner who represents the voice of the customer collaborates with the Scrum team and defines the acceptance criteria for the user stories related to the product to be delivered. The Scrum team then creates the product as prioritized in the prioritized product backlog in a series of short iterations called sprints. The product owner can use the prioritized product backlog to make changes to the requirements to keep pace with the user needs. The Scrum team can implement these changes either by terminating the current sprint or by adding the new requirements or changes to the sprint backlog for the next sprint, as each sprint is of very short duration, i.e., 1 to 6 weeks. One of the major advantages of Scrum over traditional project management is that Scrum emphasizes creating potentially shippable deliverables at the end of each sprint cycle instead of at the end of the project. So, the product owner and customers constantly inspect, approve, and accept deliverables after each sprint. And even if a Scrum project is terminated early, there is some value created prior to termination through the deliverables created in individual sprints. Hence, organizations can benefit significantly by using Scrum to manage their projects. This concludes our session on quality. Thank you for learning with us.